Hello princesses! Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing from the Simply Gilded box as well as a Pelle Studios unboxing as well. Luckily they came like a day apart, so I've already done the Pelle Studio one, so I'm just going to insert the footage here because I literally could not wait to open it. So my Pelle Studio panel just arrived and I really wanted to open it, so my nails are not done. The light is almost gone, but we're going to unbox this now. So obviously it comes in this gorgeous pink box and it is like quite flat. Pretty sure I'm butchering the opening of this, but look how cute that is. The bubble wrap is shaped like hearts. Oh my god, that's so cute. I could actually die. I assume this bow was probably holding it shut. The bow sticker is also like so adorable. Inside the pink bubble heart you have a little like Hessian bag, and then the planner. So this is in the snow. I'm pretty sure this is the vegan leather because it was the cheaper option, and these are not the cheapest planners on the market. And I got the peachy pink spine, which is, oh my gosh, absolutely adorable. This has the white stitching and the white elastic. It is a B6 size with the scalloped pockets on the inside. I didn't actually know what pockets were going to come with this one because it doesn't actually say anything, but the scallop pockets are just fine. It has 6 elastics on the inside, but you could use 2 of them like to double up if you just wanted a 4 insert. But you can use them separately, as I have found with my other planner, and just shove lots of things in it. The vegan leather doesn't feel that great, but it is also vegan leather. It just looks so pretty, so perfect. I really wanted a white planner, and I thought that the spine on this one was just too cute to pass up. It did cost a fair amount of money for a planner, but it was cheaper than the leather ones because obviously it is a vegan leather. I wasn't sure if you could get the glitter spine add-on, but I mean it came with a glitter spine and I paid for it, so obviously that is fine. So this is going to be my like memory keeper journal. I'm going to try and make it kind of like a photo scrapbook style. I'm going to see how that goes, but either way, I think it is so adorable. Like the shimmer on the spine is so cute. And yeah, just, I love it. So this is another look at the planner and probably a little bit of a nicer lighting. Super cute, so in love. But I also subscribed to the Simply Gilded box as well. I had the previous month, which was the February one, which was a Sakura theme. And then this month was a Simplicity theme. So I wanted to show you guys the box, what comes in it, and all of that good stuff. And if I have time, I might show you how I use the stickers in my weekly planning. So to ship to New Zealand, this does take a little while. It's usually about 5 business days from when they ship it out, so it's not terrible. It does come in a little bubbled mailer. This one, it was silver. I'm pretty sure the last time it was like a rose gold, which was so cute, so they fit in with the box. Like, the attention to detail is insane. The box themselves are really cute, but mine always come like, I don't know if they come this stuffed, because I'm pretty sure nobody else's box looks like that I see, but mine are always a little bit broken, so they don't really survive that well on the post to New Zealand, but the boxes themselves are really sweet as well. So like I said, the boxes are like stuffed to the brim with goodies. There's a crazy amount of things in here for the price that it is. These are, including shipping and the bow add-on, it's about $45 US with the shipping, which equates to about 65 New Zealand dollars, which is not bad. So the first thing we have on top is a little pen. This one has this really beautiful print, which is the matching print throughout. These are black rollable gel pens and they're really lovely. I use the Sakura one all the time, so I'm looking forward to using this one as well. I think it's nice that they come with the pens and you can buy refills for them as well, so it's a little bit more environmentally friendly. There are 2 bows. These ones are canvas bows, so I'm interested to see how they feel. Oh, they're not bad actually. They're a little bit firm, but that just means that they're not going to be too floppy. So there is one set in a little paper clip, which is really cute, and the other one is just a little charm. So I might actually put these on my Pelle Studio planner because, I mean, it doesn't exactly fit the colour because the spine is like a peachy pink, but I still think that they are a really cute touch. It's really expensive to get K&Co EXO bows to New Zealand. The shipping is $20, so it's nice to have some other bows. Then we have this little bag. It's like a little velveteen pink bag that says Simply Gilded on the front, And inside there is a little bow cuff in a light pink colour. I don't really wear cuffs, but I do think that this is adorable and I'd like to incorporate it into my wardrobe if I can, because I think that the bows are cute and the colour is really sweet. I think for me, like, they're really uncomfortable to get on, that's why I don't really wear them, and then when they are on, they're usually quite big. I don't know, but still, super cute. We have a whole bunch of flat things here. So on top there is a market list, which I think is just like a generalized list. So it's got like a little Simply Gilded cuff on it, but this is really cute because it is silver foiled, so the lines are silver foil as well as the actual writing on top, and it is a tear tab. So this would be really cute if I could put some like, if I could put magnets on the back, because that's where I normally keep my shopping list. That would be really cool. There is a gorgeous little journaling card. This one has silver foil and just says fresh, simple and clean. I don't really know what to do with journaling cards. They're kind of useless for me, but they just chill and I admire them from time to time. And then we have the stickers for this month as well. I love the gingham, like the pink and the blue gingham. Super cute. This one just has regular gold foil. And they also come with some little juniper and, I don't know this character, stickers. This is the Juniper XOXO Simplicity. So the little juniper stickers are so adorable. Those are really cute. Just as like decorative pieces. And then there is the full mini kit there. I think that that's so cute. Oh, I just love the colours. Then we have this adorable little pouch which has all of the washi tape in it, as well as another little one of their notebooks. I think that these are really sweet. This one just says, "Keep it simple, sweetheart." It's kind of confusing though, because this is this would be the front cover, so that's plain. The book opens that way, it's shut, and then that would be the back. Whereas I would pick it up and immediately think that this is the front. But if I wanted it to be the front, it would have to be upside down. So still really cute. I really like how they always do the little Prince themes. I just think it's so adorable. The pouch itself actually has this gorgeous little gingham lining as well. Super cute. These would be great like in bags and things like that, just to carry smaller things, or if you have like lots of floating things like cosmetics in your bags. These pouches are great for that because they're really soft and malleable, so they're not going to get ruined and they're not going to take up too much space either. And then we have absolutely tons of washi. So you've got the blue gingham that goes with the kit. You've got, this is the same print as the bag and the little notebook. It's that really gorgeous little like pink flower and that little like vine sort of set of leaves, I guess. We have this one which just says bright and happy, which has little yellow lemons. Yeah, lemons. It's just got little fruits on it down the side. I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of that, but I think it's cute. And then you have two different types of bow washi. You've got the pink and white bow washi, and then a silver with white bow washi on the top. And maybe there's something wrong with something to do with these. One of these is an oops, but I can't remember which one it is. They look fine to me, so yeah. I mean, it's a lot of washi. And then I also have the little add-on. I tried to cancel this, but I didn't do it in time because I don't particularly love the colours. So there's the yellow gold, the white, and then this really deep bronzy sort of colour. So I might give these away to some of my friends and family if they want them, because they're just not 100% what I would normally use. So that is all for this month's box. I'm sorry, this is not the most aesthetically pleasing, but I'm just kind of putting it down. There is so much stuff in here, so the value for money is amazing. Not everything is to my taste, or like not everything is going to be something that I get use out of personally, but I feel like in general it's just, yeah, it's really nice to just have like a bunch of themed things delivered to your door. I think it's gorgeous. Plus a lot of the things, like if I don't use some of these notebooks, like I'll give them away to students, I'll give them to friends and family, so it's really cute.